last Saturday, 2 hours after, nagkaroon po ng communication yung chief of police natin, si Police Superintendent Rhea Nagarma with the ito po si Engineer Gallagher, and sabi niya po magsusurrender siya, pero it happened now hanggang sa at around 6 hinihintay po siya na mag-surrender, and wala pong dumating, kaya nagkanda po ng manhunt operation po yung Santa Ana Police Station natin, and until such time na hanggang ngayon hindi pa po natin nalulocate, but meron na kami mga leads kung mga possibilities na places kung saan, lalo na yung hinanap na namin dun sa bahay nila, sa mga relatives nila, but wala pa po kami nakukuha na information na locate natin. Kahapon at around 6 p.m. Anong isang araw wala, around 6 p.m. Nag-ano din sila dito sa may bandang south natin to locate the suspect, but he is nowhere to be found. So ngayon, na-file naman yung kaso, antayin na lang natin na lumabas yung warrant of arrest for us to be legally, to legally apprehend him based on our warrant of arrest na ilalabas po ng court.